Now, division. You know what is the division sign? Like this. Okay, this is the sign of division. Okay, children. So, before starting this sum, so I could like to tell you that you have to learn the table. Okay, children. Until and unless you can't learn the table, you can't able to do the division. So I hope you are learning the table at home. So you have to learn the table by heart. Is that clear? So see number A. As example, I will show you number A. Look at the board. Now 937 divided by 9. Okay. So in previous class also I told you have to write the table at the right hand side of the copy while doing the division. Okay, children. So look at the board again. 937 divided by 9. Got it? So in 9 table 9 goes how many times? Now see here, first digit is 9, isn't it? So in 9 table 9 goes how many times? So look here, write the table. 9 zeros are 0, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. So like this you have to write the table at the right hand side of your copy. So now look here, in 9 table 9 goes how many times? Look here, how many times? 1 times, isn't it? So right here 9 ones are 9. Okay, now subtract it. So 9 minus 9 is 0. Whether you can cross it out. Is that clear? So next step is put this 3 down here. Okay. So children, in 9 table 3 comes. Look here, is there any 3 in 9 table? No, isn't it? So you have to choose the number which is less than 3. So look here, which is the number less than 3? 0. Isn't it? So 9 zeros are 0. Again subtract it. Now 3 minus 0 is 3. Isn't it? So now third step is put this 7 down here. It's become 37. Okay. So in 9 table 37 comes. Look at here. No, isn't it? So you have to choose. You have to see the number which is less than 37. So what is the number? 9 fours are 36. Isn't it? So in 9 table 9 fours are 36. Got it? Now again subtract it. Now 7 minus 6 is 1. Now 3 minus 3 is 0, or you can cross it out. Okay, children? So look here, this 9 is called divisor. Okay, this is divisor, this is quotient, and this is dividend. And the remaining one, this is remainder. Is that clear? So here quotient equal to 104 and remainder equal to 1. Got it? Now let's do next one more. Now next number B, I will show you how to do. Next one is 605 divided by 6. Again, look it carefully. Okay. Now again you have to write the table at the right hand side of your copy. Which table you have to write? 6 table, isn't it? Now here 6 is a divisor, so you have to write the 6 table. So write here 6 zeros are 0, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. Okay. So you have to divide 605 by 6. Okay children. Now look here. First digit is 6. Okay. So in 6 table, 6 goes how many times? Look here. 6 ones are 6. Isn't it? So write here 1. 6 ones are 6. Got it? Now subtract. Now 6 minus 6 is 0. Isn't it? Now whether you can cross it out or you can write 0. Now next step is put this 0 down here. Okay children? Now in 6 table 0 comes? No. Now you have to write 6 zeros are 0. Okay? Now 0 minus 0 you know 0 whether you cross it out. Now third step is put this 5 down here. Okay? Now look here, in 6 table 5 comes. Look here, is there any 5? No. So you have to write the number which is less than 5 in 6 table. That is 0. Isn't it? So 6 zeros are 0. Now subtract it again. So 5 minus 0 is 5. Okay children? So here quotient equal to 100 and remainder equal to 5. Okay children? Now next again I will show you next is number C. I will show you 2 digit. Okay? 2 digit number divide by 1 digit number. Now look here, 99 divided by 2. Sorry, 99 divided by 2. Okay, so you have to write the table of 2 at the right hand side of your copy. 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Okay children? Now look here. So the first number is 9, isn't it? So in 2 table 9 goes? No, isn't it? So you have to choose the number which is less than 9. So look here, which is the number less than 9 is 8, isn't it? So 2 fours are 8. So write here 2 fours are 8. Okay, now subtract it. Now 9 minus 8 is 1, isn't it? Now put this 9 down here again, it's become 19. Okay, so in 2 table 19 comes? No, isn't it? So we have to see the number which is less than 19. Tell me which is 18, isn't it? So 2 nines are 18. Okay children, now again you have to subtract it. So 9 minus 8 is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0 or whether you cross it out. Is that clear? So children, here quotient equal to 49 and remainder equal to 1. Is that clear? So again we will do more example. I will show you now. Next one is 960 divided by 6. Okay, now you have to do 960 divided by 6. Again that means you have to write the table, isn't it? So 6 table you have to write. 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60. Got it? Now look here again. Now in 6 table 9, how many times? No, it's not come, isn't it? So you have to choose the number which is less than 9. Is 6. So 6 ones are 6. Subtract it. So 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay, now put the 6 down here. It's become 36. So in 6 table 36 goes how many times? 6 6 are 36. Okay children. Now subtract it. 6 minus 6 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. Or you can cross it out. Now put this 0 down here. Now in 6 table 0. No, isn't it? So 6 zeros are 0. That means 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay. So here again quotient equal to 160 and remainder. Is there any remainder left? No. That means 0. Got it? Now again see. Look it carefully children, okay? You have to do this division practice at home. So the next one is 785 divided by 9. Okay, now let's do this again. 785 divided by 9. The same thing, you have to write the table at the right hand side of your copy. Which table you have to write? 9 table, isn't it? So write here, table of 9. 9 zeros are 0. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45, 9 6 are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90. Got it? Now look here. Now here is 9. Here first digit is 7. That means 7 is smaller than 9, isn't it? We can't divide. So we have to take the 2 digit. Next digit is 8. So we have to take 2 digit. Okay. So look here. Next is 7, 8 is 78. Okay children. So in 9 table 78 comes. No, isn't it? So you have to choose the number which is less than 78. So here which one is less? 72, isn't it? So in 9 table 9 8s are 72. Got it? Now subtract. So 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay. Now here 7 minus 7 is 0, or whether you cross it out. Now here is 6 or here is 9. Can you divide? No. So again you put this 5 down here. It's become 65. Okay children. Now in 9 table 65 comes? No. So you have to choose. See the number which is less than 65. Now here see which is the number 63, isn't it? So 9 7s are 63. Okay. Now subtract it again. 5 minus 3 is 2. 6 minus 6 is 0, or cross it out. Got it children? So here quotient equal to 87 and remainder equal to 2. Okay.